got the pump set down in here. Get this plate that sits on. Right here, you can see that little gray plate. Right there. And there's 2 1/2 inch. You got 1/2 inch in there, and there's a locating pin up there for that. So I'm gonna tighten them bolts down. I already put 1 wire on because it's easier when the motor's loose. And it's just the 1 wire goes down there, and then you got 2 wires that go here. And I zip tie my wires so they're color coded, so I kind of remember which one they go. Then we got to set that back down on there, plumb it in, and then we're going to test our pressure. So when it comes time to test pressures, so we can make sure we got these set so we don't blow out any seals or anything out of the new pump. Not sure if that's what caused the first one, or if it was so that's supposed to have ATF Dexron 3 in it. We put Dexron 6 in it. It says it's compatible with 3. The fluids might be compatible, but the seals may not have been compatible with the Dexron 6. So we're going to go ahead and put Dexron 3 in. We ordered some, and when I say we, I mean me, but I say we because the parts department got the stuff for me. They gave me the 6 before because it would. Now I said, all right, whatever, I don't care. I should have said I do care because I didn't want to do this again. But we'll keep on trucking along. So I'm just going to tighten them 3 bolts, 1 over here, 2 over there, and then bring you back in when we. I'll set this down. We'll tie that in, and I'll put the wires on. I removed the electrical box out of the front right here too, because it makes it easier for me to get my arm to do them bolts down there. So there's a little thing that needs to be removed, and then you got other hoses and stuff. So I'll give you a rundown here in a minute. All right, I got the bolts on, 3 bolts. I'm gonna go ahead and set my thing off here. I tied her up so she wouldn't fall down on my hands and smash my fingers. And she's just gonna plop right down in there. Just right back in there. And then there's a bolt here, and a bolt here. I gotta find the bolts though. I don't know what I did with them. Yeah, here they are with all the other bolts. So might get me a little stand for in here at the shop when I'm in the shop instead of at my garage, because I ain't been in the garage. Just made any videos for a while. It's been colder and dog crap out there. And we just line them up down in there somehow. We in there. I think we're started. I'm gonna zip them tight. Put this on there, and then I'll bring you in when I do the hose. The little hose goes here. I got a little plug, so it's kind of nice. And then that one goes there. So I'll bring you in when I zip these down. Let's go put these hoses on. Just a little nut driver, so it's not like real strong. We don't want that real tight anyways. Don't want to break nothing. I think that's an 18. Yeah, just put that one on there, finger tight. Oh, why it's got like that red paint right there. Up in a minute. Oh, I remember why that cap's got paint on it now. Find out where that dang bell to. I'll have to get my magnet fish that out. I got my test port in here. Well, I put a test. This is a test port. I put a quick adapter in there, and its cap. It's got the red on it. There's another fitting that goes in here, and then this cap screws on. But I put this in there so I can have my gauge on there for now. So that's how we're going to run this for now. This goes here. This one goes to that one. That one. Yeah, that one goes there. That one goes there. So I'm going to pull these off, get them hooked up, get these tightened down. It's hard to do one-handed, so, because I don't have a stand with me. I don't remember what size that is. I think 16 or 17. I think it's 16 or 5/8. We don't need them super tight. Of course, it took the whole plug out. Alright, well, yeah, it took the whole plug out on that one too. Alright, well, I'm going to get this stuff hooked up, and then I'll bring you in when we get this gauge on and test our pressure. So I got to hook the battery back up, but I just have these two here to hook up, tighten these two up, put my 2 wires on there, and then we'll be able to test it and see what happens.